Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings Disclaimer. CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit, guaranteed to last as long as you own your vehicle, brings headlights back to like new condition, no power tools required, 10 wipe kit. Kit contents. Each headlight restoration kit includes 8. Step 1 Oxidation Removing Wipes, 1. Step 2 Sanding Kit, and 2. Step 3 Ceramic Coating Wipes. Lasts as long as you own your vehicle. This is a ceramic coating for cars that chemically bonds to your headlights and provides UV protection for as long as you'll own your vehicle. No power tools required. Everything is included in the kit for your car. There are no tools required that could potentially damage your headlights or paint. Restores and protects from UV. Our ceramic coating wipes provide a layer of UV protection that will last as long as you own your vehicle. 3 easy steps. CERAKOTE's Headlight Restoration Kit is a simple, 30-minute process. Step 1. Our Oxidation Remover Wipes remove stubborn oxidation. Step 2. Using our supplied sanding materials, remove any remaining deep oxidation. Step 3. CERAKOTE's industry-leading ceramic restores the headlight to like new. Thanks for watching and subscribe.